Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trade for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, no trade signals, and not selling indicators. This is just my trade journal. We've got price action, order flow levels for Monday, July 17, 23. We've got an 11.5 handle range here in Globex. And let's just make sure we understand there's a 42 handle per day range for a 3-day average. What I've got currently is the 1 hour upper left, lower left. We've got the 15, and I've got a 5-minute on the right, and we're going to go through these levels. So let's get to the charts in detail and go through them. 24-hour chart on the NASDAQ here. You can see we're pretty much flat on this little doji candle for Monday. Very much the same range when we close Friday. Monday, middle chart, S&P. What I want to see on the S&P is a minimum retracement of 45.26. 45.26 is both the July 13th RTH Open from last Thursday, and it's in the zip code of the 23.6 Fibonacci. Below that, we have all these gaps galore. But if we can't even reach that on Monday, it might possibly mean we just sit it out and wait for Tuesday. And then on the far, what I'm looking at is the dollar. The dollar is not really helping out the equity indexes for any retracement because it's staying below 100. We get above 100. Here's this yellow gap here. I'm hoping we can reach that at some point Monday or Tuesday. That's 100.5. And above that, we've got another volume imbalance gap at 101.6. So that's it for the 24s. Let's go to the next chart. So I want to take the note here of this candle. This was the last hour candle, and why it's significant is it was completely like a gap candle. There was no real body to it, except the open and close were exactly coming in at 45.39.25 was the open, and 45.39.25 was the close. And then once you know it, the Globex for Monday, the London raid high matched that last hour of Friday's RTH. So very interesting. I want to see this level. I did draw a 5-minute fair value gap here, and so far we've priced below this level. So this is a core level for me here. If we break this, then there's no doubt we could possibly run up here to these blues or the new week open gap. We've got New York coming in at 45.32 and 75, and we've got London coming in at 45.33.50. So these are the levels. We have a tight consolidated 11.5 handle range. Let's go to the Renko, see what's happening there. Renko chart, nothing about it makes me want to take a trade on Monday. I may hold out Tuesday just because. And the because is on this line here that shows the Monday Globex. Yeah, we've been red since the high of last Friday reached in the morning AM session. We've been red ever since, but there's no been real big decline here. So that leads me to believe that we could still hit another run for the highs before we go down this week. The lower blue Keltner comes in at 45.19 and change. Above, we've got 45.66. So those are the levels. The red, we are below it, and that comes in at 45.43. So right now, sit on hands. Don't do anything. So that's it for Monday Globex. We've got a few hours here before we open up, and we may get the key time. So again, time and price, not just price alone. I want to align and see what we do for the first hour of the RTH. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Aloha. Bye.